Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to set sleep timer on your Samsung Smart TV. Okay, first of all you need to press the home screen on your TV, and after that press to the left until you can see the word setting. Select on it, and now go to general, select on it. After that select system manager, time, and here you can see the word sleep timer. Select on it, and now set it 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes, or 180 minutes, depend on your setting. Okay, now I set it to 30 minutes, and now after 30 minutes the TV will turn off by itself. Okay, after a short period of time, and now you can see the sleep timer is reducing from 30 to 28 minutes. So after it's count down to 0 minutes, and the TV will automatically turn it off. Okay, now it's reached the period of the sleep timer. You can see now the countdown time. So we gonna wait all together until the TV sleep by itself. So it will remain on the TV screen 60 seconds before it sleep. So I put the TV remote here. Okay, now it's off the TV by itself. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today video of the sleep timer on your Samsung Smart TV setting. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.